everyone, Youtube Corey here, aka Crasher, back with a new video, and ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be talking about something a little bit more lighthearted here in comparison to the subjects that we had to speak on recently on this channel, so I hope you guys do enjoy some potential laughter and comedy. We have ourselves an article from Dexerto, and the title is very interesting. Pokemon players reveal most unfair ways they've won battles. Okay, I'm already intrigued. Let's begin. Following a debate as to whether Pokemon villains should be able to fight unfairly in battles, fans have hilariously revealed ways in which they won by having an unfair advantage over foes. Oh boy. Pokemon battles have almost always stuck to the same format since the game's release way back in 1996. Oh damn, way to make me feel old there. Thank you, thanks a lot. I love remembering the fact I'm 30, right? Pick a monster, use a move or an item, and try to knock out the opponent's Mon out first. It's not always that straightforward though, and the rules have been bent before, especially on the player's side. Members of the Pokemon community have revealed examples of this happening in their own games, and it's hilarious. Oh, I bet it is. And funny enough, we have ourselves a picture of Team Rocket. Not everybody plays fair in Pokemon. Ain't that the truth? Pokemon players reveal how they've won fights unfairly. On December 6th, Reddit user TheLego27 went viral on the R Pokemon subreddit after they shared an example of how they cheesed a battle in the 2004 release title Emerald. For me, I was in the Battle Factory in Emerald, and I had only one Pokemon left, a Swampert. They started off. There was a Gengar that I couldn't hit because I had Rest, Curse, Earthquake, and Counter on Swampert. No! That was back when Gengar was actually really good with its ability Levitate, but yeah, lost out on that ability. I KO'd it with a Curse-boosted Struggle. What? You mean to tell me that this went all the way down to a goddamn fucking Struggle Fest? Oh my god. That had to have been very, very annoying for the player, but hey, I mean, at least they won, you know, at least they get to enjoy the fruits of victory, but after Lord knows how much time spent pee-pee stalling in order to get that done. Jesus Christ, man. After explaining the absurd way they managed to scrape a victory in the Gen 3 RPG, the player then asked fellow fans if they had similar experiences. The post kicked off a discussion where trainers opened up about the most ridiculous ways they had won battles. Oh my god. Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. And, you know, they say the same thing here that we had just read and reacted to. Alright, here we go. Battling Cynthia in Gen 4, I had a Vespiquen with Destiny Bond. Her heavy hitters were no match when I would just revive and repeat. One person replied. This was at release and I started with Gen 1. I never fought her legitimately, even to this day, so I fully admit that I'm a scrub. Oh my god. Dude, this is like next level Lance material right there, you know what I'm saying? I mean, we know how infamous Lance is when it comes to his full restore spams and all that shit, but Jesus Christ, like this just hits a brand new level. And I love it. I absolutely love the hilarity and the creativity behind this. Well, I wouldn't say creativity per se, because it's not really that creative to spam items, but still though, I have to admit that's pretty damn funny. If I'm being completely objective here, every battle I've done against a gym leader or Elite Four member where I came with like 50 potions and revives has been pretty unfair, another fan wrote. This is why I no longer allow myself to use healing items in battle. I'd rather have to retry a fight once or twice than just use infinite monies to make myself nigh unkillable, someone said in reply to the previous commenter. Oh my god. This is just absolutely great. This is just absolutely great. Oh my god. Players have always had an advantage of sorts over NPC enemies, As another user appropriately said in the replies, you can't become champion of the Elite Four without spamming full restores. Yes, that's kind of what I was referring to earlier when it came to the infamy that is Lance and his damn full restore spam. And we're seeing very similar take place here. Oh my god, man. Pokemon fans have a lot to be excited for in 2021 as it's the series' 25th anniversary. While nothing has been revealed yet, who knows? Maybe there will be a new game for players to battle in, and damn it, I sure hope so, baby. I am pumped for 2021. Fuck 2020. Get that bitch-ass shit fucking year out of here, man. It's been one of the worst years in human history. And that sums up this article, ladies and gentlemen, and thus sums this video up as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it made you smile. If it did, let me know in the comments down below, and I might do more videos like these, guys. If you want to see more videos where it features me reacting and discussing articles that you send me, let me know in the comments. Send me the articles you want me to have a look at and maybe even make a video on. So thank you guys very much for watching. You guys are wicked awesome. You guys are legends. Thank you very much. Have yourself a damn good one, guys. And as always, your boy will see you guys in the next video.